Right.
Alright, all aboard. Everybody please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Supervise children, make sure they stay seated and away from the opening. Inside the tunnel, the magical time tunnel ahead. No flash photography or video lighting. Energize lightsabers or anything else that lights up. Hey, there's a little kid standing in the aisle. Please pick up the little kid standing in the aisle. Thank you. Next stop, Main Street. Alright, be about 10 minutes.
25. Alright. They're a good conductor.
Ready for dinosaur? You like them? My favorite part.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Please turn off all lighted toys, no lights in the tunnel. Even troublemakers, thank you.
Dentro del tren y cuiden a los pequeños. Por favor, no tomen fotografías con flash.
Also turn off the flash in your camera, thank you.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the Primevil world, land of the dinosaurs. Those were real Disneyland dinosaurs, right, parents? That's right, but we're in our own time zone now, so we're fine. Everybody please remain seated until we come to a full stop at Main Street Station. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train.
You look hungry, huh?
I'd especially like to
Better
thank
watch
those
it, kids.
of you who've been with me for the Grand Circuit
And adults
Tour
too.
of
They
Disney
like to eat adults
World. We hope
sometimes
you
as well.
enjoyed your travels with
You
us,
know.
and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying,
Main Street Station, please remain seated until we come to a full stop. If you're getting off here, you're going to catch the Disneyland band.
You guys feed the T-Rex, right? You got nothing to worry about?
What?
The T-Rex, you guys feed him, right?
Yeah, no, he's on the Union scale.
Oh dear. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday and happy unbirthday all of you. Happy celebrating.
Are you one of the photographers?
Yeah, I'm a vlogger. Matt Hatter and Friends.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's better? Is it to be the birthday girl or the one that gets to eat all the cake that's with them? I think it's a celebratees, not just a celebrator. What do you think? That's why the unbirthday. You had to be unbirthday. Yay! What? Happy birthday. What's your family's name?
Chopra Nader family.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Yes, I just did some photos for this family. That's happy birthday. And you all get to celebrate. Yes, this is a nice, cool family. Yeah. So if you... What a beautiful day to celebrate the birthday. Hey, happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
30, the big 3-0. You got a challenge from Jack Daniels tonight.
Yep.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you got to get drunk with them. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Please supervise your children, making sure you're sitting all the way down on a line, away from the train openings. My next stop is Tomorrowland Square.
And we got a new conductor. I don't know, maybe I drove the last one nuts or something, but here we are. I'm pretty sure that's not the case. I'm pretty sure.
Hey, you want to know you?
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primevil world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails.
Hey guys. Hey, no.
Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. And watch
Big
your step as
kitties.
you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
Hey, if you throw me an email, the chriscartier@gmail.com, you look at on my channel, you look for my email, I'll show you the picture. And I'll also shoot you the one that I have there for you guys if you want it.
New Orleans Square Station, please remain seated for the next one stop. This will be your stop for Adventureland, Frontierland, Critter Country, New Orleans Square, and your closest stop to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
This is the closest stop. You know, they really ought to do something about that. I wish there was a stop at Star Wars or near Star Wars. Or maybe if they moved to Toontown one further forward, but I don't know, maybe that wouldn't work. You can kind of see what they're doing over there with the remake of the Jazz Kitchen to be Titiana's restaurant right there. Man, they really have torn up that yard. Something fierce. Let's take a good look at that while we're sitting here. Canac cabinets. My dad has a few of those. He loved those. Those are very tough cabinets. But aside from the cabinets, look at that. They completely are redoing the outdoor area there. That is a major restoration right there. That is a major refurb. And you can see the front too. Like they're keeping some of the aesthetic, but they really want it to look like what it looks like in Princess and the Frog. That is interesting.
Alright, we're all done getting water for our thirsty tanky.
Thirsty Tanky.
We'll be on our way in just a moment.
For those of you joining us, welcome more holiday tomorrow in Disneyland Railroad. Please remain seated, keeping your hands on seat and legs inside the train at all times. The parents, please supervise your children, making sure that they're sitting away from the train openings. My name itself is Toontown Depot.
Wow, you're with us yet one more time. See you, happy people. She survived one more trip with me.
Joining us,
I don't know how she did it. Must be strong.
To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Now entering the ride. Soon to be home to Tiana's flying adventure. Princess Tiana swears there's magic out here. And wherever there's magic, there's bound to be surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed.
There it is. It's all boarded up. No steamboat for us.
Speaking of surprises, this place we're passing over is chock full of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and other beloved critters on fun-filled adventures where anything can happen.
No, we have our floor. This is like where the babies go.
Goodbye.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, the last outpost in these parts, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. In the Great River Valley below. People like you have been riding the rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Just a moment. This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
For those of you joining us, welcome aboard Holiday 4 on Disneyland Railroad. Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train at all times. So parents, please supervise your children, making sure that they're swimming away from the train openings. Our next stop is Tomorrowland.
She survived 2 trips with me. The force is strong with this conductor. Oh yes. That's right, right?
We're gonna ride it all the way. Then we're gonna go on.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be
Tomorrowland Station, please remain seated, concerning comes to the wait stop. This will be your stop for Space Mountain, Star Tours, Astro. While you're flashing roasters, the monorail, Autopia, and Finding Nemo's submarine voyage.
Thank you. Have a good birthday. And all of you, a good unbirthday. May your dreams come true. Take care.